Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Google Photos account step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet. If you are on a phone or tablet, open the Google Photos app from your home screen. If you do not have the app, open the App Store or Google Play Store and install Google Photos. If you are on a computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the browser address bar, type Photos, Google.com and press Enter. On the Google Photos website, look for the Sign In button at the top right. Tap or click Sign In to continue. Choose the Google account you want to use if you see it listed. If you do not see your account, select Use Another Account. Enter your Gmail address or phone number linked to your Google account. Tap or click Next to move forward. Type your Google account password carefully. Tap or click Next to sign in. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. If Google asks for verification, complete the two-step verification method shown. You may need to enter a code from SMS, an authenticator app, or a prompt on your phone. After verification, wait a moment while Google Photos loads your library. On the Google Photos app, allow the requested permissions if a prompt appears. If you want to back up photos, tap your profile icon and open Photos settings. Select Backup and turn it on if you want automatic saving to your account. Confirm the correct Google account by tapping your profile icon in the top corner. If the wrong account is signed in, tap your profile icon and choose Manage Accounts on this device. Select the account you want, or add a new Google account if needed. On a computer, you can switch accounts by clicking your profile picture and selecting another account. If you see a blank page, refresh the browser or close and reopen the app. If sign-in fails, check your internet connection and confirm your email and password are correct. For extra security on shared devices, open your profile menu and select Sign Out when finished. Now you are successfully signed in and ready to view, search, and manage your photos in Google Photos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.